everyone, welcome to the Noodle Ninja channel, and today I'm craving for a Chinese food, so I want to make a pan-fried dumplings for you guys. So yeah, now we can start making it by using high quality ingredients. As you know, I never cook a not so quality ingredients. So I'm going to make that, I'm going to cook it, and then going to the preparation table. So now I'm going to chop some onion. Alright, and then chop the sirnak meat. Oops, I failed. After that, I'm going to knead the dough. Just go back and forth. And then I'm gonna chop the ginger. And I failed again. Failed again. Don't know what's wrong with me today. So now I'm going to go to the mixing station to mix everything to make the dumplings. In real life, we mix the filling and then we wrap it up. So yeah, we're going here to add the ingredients and flip it over. And then voila! We are done! So I'm just going to collect it and then put it on the table. Okay, I found my space. So yummy, guys. So there you go. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!